Here's how to make someone an admin on your Discord server. You can either transfer ownership or give them admin privileges. I'll show you both. Now, on Discord, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, you need to navigate to your server, and there are two different ways to be able to do this. In both options, we need to get to the settings for your specific server. The first option that you have is that you can always just go to the member list here and see if there are other members, and you can transfer ownership to those other members. But you can also just create a role, and this is something that you can always change or remove down the road. So I can say I want to make an admin role here, and I want to give them manager positions or manager privileges. Now from here, all you need to do is select those specific members, and you can see I will give them manager permissions to be an admin. Now keep in mind, you can also, of course, just go back, and on the members that are in here, you can see those are the admins that you have given permission to. And of course, if you ever wanted to, you can transfer complete ownership of your server over to any one of the other members.